Bed of Roses, Fabric and Encaustic Shadowbox. Burst your encaustic paintings and sculptures outside of the two-dimensional box with this gorgeous three-dimensional fiber arts project, full of tips and techniques for you to adapt to your own inspirations. Discover the amazing sculptural effects achieved when combining sweet-smelling encaustic beeswax with textiles. This class will fire up encaustic lovers and fabric enthusiasts alike to develop the possibilities of your materials, your imagination, and your passions. In this 30-minute instructional video, you'll watch me wax and form fabric to create an innovative encaustic three-dimensional floral painting, and I'll share ways to adapt this technique to other surfaces and forms. You'll learn about studio setup, supplies and tools, applying encaustic to various fibers, both natural and man-made, substrate options for encaustic and fabric creations, coloring, shaping, waxing, and fusing fabric into gorgeous sculptured surfaces, surface highlighting and detailing of fabric and best tools to use, the vibrant possibilities of pigmented waxes on fabric, and I'll share the health and safety tips that you need to know. There's all kinds of creative ideas and possibilities in this video. Sign up now for Bed of Roses, Fabric and Encaustic Shadowbox Making. $40 USD for this 30-minute instructional video. For more information and to join me, see my website, sharybartlett.com/workshops.